Alright, so to solve the previous issue that our our bullet bullets when increased in size were causing the object to kind of explode, that is increase in size too much, that is the size wasn't regulated. So to address this, what we will do is pretty much look for the thing that we can do here is that we inside the scale animator, first thing we did was in that target.local scale is equal to original scale was added inside the stop coroutine method. So this is the stop coroutine, and here we used target.local scale is equal to original scale, and the original scale was saved. So every time the new coroutine was taking effect, what we will do is simply save the previous original scale that it will resort back to and play it again. So these two changes made this workable. So this is the original scale and this is the target scale, and the value will fluctuate between the two, that is scale up and down, and every time the new uh, coroutine is given, that is the new scale up and down will information is given, it will simply use this method again and stop the previous coroutine. So we can now save it again, and before playing, one thing that was left was adjusting these values -10 and +10, that is the when they will be short. So this friend's multiplier value uh, will be uh, negated, and hence they will be updated as well. So to do this, we will simply go in being short method. In short method, we will increase the value of friend's multiplier value like this, and later we will add this like this. So now what will happen is so now the text component will be updating to much more positive values when the bullet is being shot. So now as you can see, our 11 components were created, and when it passes here, as you can see, it will act like this. And right now what happened, all right, so coroutine bit of bugs it threw. So this is how it will act, and if we increase this value to say 90 more prefabs, so these are our new prefabs that were added. And this is how it will be. As you can see, camera went back nicely and everything is acting pretty nicely here. But one thing that we can do is when this red wall becomes positive in sign, uh, so like this, if the wall turns to positive value, then then what should happen is the color of the wall should turn to green. So what we can do is simply go to this J wall queue, and here we will try to access the material of the wall and make it green in case the value turns to we will try to make the positive value, or in case of red, in case of number being negative, value will be red, value color will be red. So to give visual feedback, we will access this material object here, and we will change it at runtime just to show you how we will. I will head back to the game. So this is our runtime, and this minus 100 there, if this minus 100 here will be, if we will change it to green like this. Again doing even though we are doing on this one, it is applying on all the children as well, which we don't want. We only want changes on this one and not the children walls. So to look this, we will look in next tutorial. Through scripting we will be able to overcome this.